Just sitting here with a cup of tea, and I thought I would make a little vlog. I try to make a little day in the life vlog. So today I just woke up and I just did my LED mask, and now I'm having a cup of tea. I did a little visualization meditation while I was doing the LED mask, and just did my skincare very quick. So now I'm all shiny and glowy, which I love. And yeah, so I thought I would take you along for today. I have a lovely day in store. I'm just doing some work, I'm doing some studying, I'm training a little bit at home, and just doing a few things here at home. So I think I would take you along for a lovely day. Hello, so I just got home from the cafe and a little trip. I bought some new coffee cups. I tried these last time with my mom and really liked them. The Virtual Bianco Piccolo, really good. Then I bought groceries, avocado, peppers, cucumber, carrots, and rice paper. So we're gonna make those rice paper rolls with vegetables and some chicken in it later tonight, me and my man. And then I went to buy a specific bag that I had seen actually, and it was on sale. So that was like a beautiful little manifestation. I went to buy this one, which, because I have this bag, which I've been having for a few years, but it recently, like, it's about to break. So I needed a new little one. So I saw this and it was on sale. So that was a beautiful little manifestation in that way. But yeah, I just spent a few hours working on Instagram content, on upcoming content inside my membership, the Abundance Alchemy membership. So yeah, that was really nice, and I posted some Instagram and some TikTok content. And now I just came home, and I think I'm going to make lunch very soon here. Just gonna make an omelette and some vegetables, and then I think I'll do some studying. I'm currently studying to become a spiritual hypnotist. I'm studying under Sophia Constantine, which I've been taking a few both astrology sessions with, but also past life regression sessions with her, and I really found it like a beautiful modality, both hypnosis but also past life regression and future life connection, so to say. And she recently started this program where you can become certified spiritual hypnotist. So I signed up when I saw that. So that's what I'm currently studying. And yeah, so I'll make some lunch, continue to study for a bit, and then I think I'll do a workout later to get the body moving. Yeah, but I'll talk to you later. So I've just been doing a little workout and all sweaty right now, and now I think I will make a little iced coffee and enjoy the sunshine in my little window frame and read a good book. I'm currently reading a book called Psycho-Cybernetics, and it's very fascinating. It's written by someone that is like a plastic surgeon, but he has turned his focus more to self-image and how you can improve your life by improving how you view yourself. So it's very fascinating. It's all about how he used to have clients that he did like facial surgery on to improve their life and change their lives. But he often not always, but he found very often that people came in to get their nose fixed or get like something fixed in terms of their self-image that they thought would change their entire life. And then when he had done the surgery, they were perhaps happy with whatever the facial features were, but they found that their life were more or less the same because their internal self-image was the same. So very fascinating. And that was when he started studying self-image and how you view yourself, and also how you can change how you view yourself and your perception of yourself and your life. So very fascinating read. I've been hearing about this book for years and years and years, and I've had it on my list for many years without having dived into it. But now it was finally time, so I decided to finally start reading it, and it's very fascinating and very aligned with everything that I teach and share about your concept of yourself and how you can change that. You can rewire your mindset and your brain to change how you view yourself and thereby change your life. So definitely recommend that. But yeah, I will make myself a nice cup of ice latte and read a bit in the sunshine now. So I'm feeling like a little midday afternoon snack, so I'm gonna make my favorite, very simple, easy, delicious and healthy banana cookies. All you need is just like 3 ingredients, and it's so simple. Like you need some bananas, dark chocolate and oats, and then you just mix it all together, put it in the oven for 9 minutes at like 200 degrees Celsius, and then you have some delicious banana oat cookies.